What up, y'all? Y'all already know what to do, man. It's your boy, Metro. Yeah, y'all know I got the swag on today. Today I brought the Giant War Warrior, the hoverboard. That's what I'm riding, y'all. But guess what? I'm bringing y'all the official unboxing and review of the, y'all ready? Y'all ready? It's official. I got it, baby. The Coolpad Legacy. Y'all see that? Zoom away. I'm gonna go this way. Then I'm gonna bring it back and put it in your face. I said the Coolpad Legacy, y'all. This right here is a monster, y'all. Not monster, monster, y'all. Okay, quick overview of some of the specifications. 4G LTE enabled. Of course, it's an Android device. 6.36 inches, full high definition display, 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel main cameras. So 2 cameras on the back of this boy. It comes with 32 gigs of memory and 3 gigabytes of RAM. Shout out to Coolpad. This is the official Coolpad Legacy. Thank y'all for rocking out with me. I appreciate all the love, all the support. Leave your comments below. Y'all know they released the Coolpad Defiant, and man, they stepped their game all the way up. 6.3 inches. I'm ready to open this phone up. Let me get my knife. Thank y'all so much for rocking out with me. Leave your comments below. Let me know what y'all think. Of course, at the end of the video, I'm going to give y'all the full manufacturer sale retail price, and I will also give you the promotional prices. Let's open it up, y'all. So, you know, today, man, we relaxing. Shout out to Houston weather. We've been getting a lot of rain this week, but we fighting through, man. That's what it's all about. If you from Houston, you know that one day it could be super sunny. The next day it could be Hurricane Harvey. It's going down. All right, so we got the box open here. As you can see here, here's the box. Once we open up the box here, let's see what we got. Looks like we have the device. Let's see here. We have the phone. We'll get to that in just a second. Inside the box here, here's the quick start guide for the Coolpad Legacy. Let's back this up here a little bit. We're also going to have the SIM card. Here's your standard SIM card here. This is going to be to establish a proper network connection with Metro by T-Mobile. That's genius. Also, we're going to have the wall adapter and a let's see what we got here. We have a standard Type-C charger, so good stuff. We know the Type-C chargers usually come on the new Galaxies. So it's going down, y'all. We got the wall charger. We also have the key fob for the SIM tray, so we can eject the SIM tray and insert the SIM card. So very simple contents inside the box, just the wall adapter, USB Type-C charger, and the key fob to extract the SIM card tray. Let's get to this phone, y'all. So, like I said, just an overview of the phone. It says you can take amazing photos with a 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear-facing camera. So what that basically means, y'all, is that you're gonna have 2 cameras on the back of the device. Let's take it out the plastic and see what we got. Oh, this is really nice. Wow, check this out. So it's got like a smoke gray finish here. It is very nice, and it's a very large phone. Can you guys see that? Very large device, 6.3 inches to be exact. Actually, 6.36 inches. Very large screen, guys. I like this a lot here. So we got dual cameras on the back, if you could see that. You're also going to have your flash here, and you're going to have your fingerprint reader. On the side here, here's your power button, the volume up and volume down keys. On the front of the camera, let's see what we got here. Let's see, 16 megapixel. Okay, on the front of the camera, it's actually going to be 13 megapixel camera on the front. So we got 16 and 5 on the back. Let's double check that. So there's a 16 and 5 megapixel camera on the back, dual cameras for great shots. And on the front here, you're gonna have a 13 megapixel camera. I'm so excited about Coolpad stepping their game up and becoming a competitive device right now in the cell phone market. There are a lot of cell phones out there, and Coolpad has officially stepped their game up with the Legacy. We're gonna turn this phone on. While I'm turning it on here, I wanna go through a few of the specs. As you can see, it says Coolpad on the device. Also, like I said, it has the full HD display, provides a captivating media experience, and supporting the latest movie and TV formats. All right, the battery. The battery is going to be 4,000 milliamps per hour. It's pretty good stuff there. I would say the Coolpad Legacy will last you busy days, keeping you connected wherever you are. It says charge up to 4 times faster with the Qualcomm Quick Charge. Some of the top features are going to be the camera. The display is Gorilla Glass 3. It provides you an extra layer of protection and damage resistance to prevent cracks and scratches. The operating system. The operating system on this one is going to be Android 9.0 Pie. The previous processor would have been Nougat. So they're definitely stepping it up. It comes already pre-installed with 9.0 Pi. And don't forget 32 gigs with 3 gigabytes of RAM. Very powerful device. Let's go, Coolpad! So they getting it in, man. Shout out to Coolpad. Definitely stepping up. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. I will give you guys the full retail price in just a moment. Tech specs, let's see. It'll give you roughly 42.6 hours of talk time and 585 hours of standby talk time. So that's good stuff. 3 gigabytes of RAM. It is expandable up to 128 gigs. So it comes with 32 gigs of memory, 3 gigabytes of RAM, but it's also expandable up to 128 gigs. So good stuff, man. Shout out to Coolpad. Let's see here. Compare it. A lot of people are comparing it to the Alcatel 7. If you go to some of my previous videos, I did a review on the Alcatel 7. I would say this phone is going to be larger than the Alcatel 7, and it's definitely going to have a better camera than the Alcatel 7. So what I want to do now, guys, is just go through the main screen here. As you can see, it says hi there. We're just going to hit start. What I want to do now is just get it to the main screen so you guys can get a feel of what the device looks like for everyday use. We're going to skip this here, continue. We're just going through some of the new prompts, brand new device. Brought to you by Metro by T-Mobile. I think the official release date is the 13th, but your boy, Metro Miguel, brought it to y'all a few days early so you can get the rundown and you can decide if you might be interested in upgrading your device. All right, let's see here. So we're just going through here. Set device name, more, accept. All right, cancel that there. It says unlock with fingerprint. We're gonna skip that. So it does have a fingerprint sensor. That's really good stuff, guys. Next here, it's got Face ID. So it's got Face ID, fingerprint sensors, 32 gigs, 3 gigabytes of RAM. Come on, guys. 16 megapixel camera on the back, plus a 5 megapixel camera on the back, 13 megapixel front-facing camera. This phone is powerful, and it's got the specs for it, dude. I'm gonna get to the price. Give me a second, y'all. I'm gonna get to the price. I'm just trying to get to the main screen. Thank y'all so much for being patient with me. I just want to get to the main screen so you guys can get a feel for it. Look at this. This is nice. Very nice, large, vibrant screen here. Check that out. Can you guys see that? 6.3-inch full high definition resolution screen. It's good stuff. Check out the back here. And it looks good. Let's see what they got. So if you just scroll upward here, he'll be all your standard applications. Guys, stop by today. All right, the price. Let's just get to it because I know y'all want to know. All right. Standard manufacturer sale retail price is $179. But of course, Metro Miguel, aka Metro by T-Mobile, is going to give you guys some great promotional offers, okay? All right, for instance, with a qualified upgrade, you will instantly receive $50 off of that $179. You will only pay $129 with a standard upgrade. Got another promotion for you. I'm coming with it, y'all. All right, with a new line of service. If you just stop by, you're like, hey, I'm not upgrading. I just want to get a new phone with a new number. Guess what, guys? We're going to give you even more savings. I'm going to give you $100 with a new line of service to where you can get the new Coolpad Legacy, this bad boy right here, for $79. Did you hear me? 79. Siete nueve. Siete nueve is going down. $79 with a new line of service. But I saved the best for last. Guess what, y'all? When you switch to Metro by T-Mobile on an unlimited rate plan, are y'all ready? I said, are you ready? I'm going to give you this phone, this bad boy right here, the Coolpad Legacy, 32 gigabytes, 3 gigabytes of RAM, 16 megapixel, 5 megapixels on the rear, 13 megapixels on the front, fingerprint sensors, and Face ID recognition for $29.99. Holla at me, baby, it's going down. Metro by T-Mobile. Let's get it.